Hi friends, today we are discussing ICSE board 6th standard maths based on the latest CISCE curriculum unit 3 algebra part 1a chapter number 11 fundamental concept of algebra exercise 11.1. Here mention exercise 11.1 question number 1. Separate the constant and variables from AB, 10, minus 2x, minus 1 by 3 and xz upon 2. Answers. Here AB variables AB constants none, since both and A and B are variables. And minus 2x is the variable minus 2x. That is the answers. That blue color I mentioned here. This is the answers. Variables AB and variables 2x is the variable. Next, minus 1 upon 3. That is variable is none and constants minus 1 by 3. It's a constant fractions. See, the fractions value we can take for constant. So final answer is constant 1 by 3. And number 10 variable is none, constant is 10. It is a constant number. To separate the constant and variable from A x upon 2. To separate the constant and variable from the expressions xz upon 2, we need to identify each component in the equations. The constant is 2 here. The variables are x and y. So x and z. xz upon 2 can be written a product of the variable. So x and z divided by the constant 2. So that's why the final variable answers x z upon 2, that is the variables. Next, question number 2. Here mentioned, observe the following pattern. Identify the variable and write the general expressions that gives the constant of pens in terms of numbers of pens. Here number of pens, cost of pen bought for rupees 5 each. Here that is the answers. The final answer, first of all, it is evidence that the cost increases linearly with the number of pens and each pen cost rupees 5. General expressions, let n be the number of pens. The cost of n pens, each priced at rupees 5, can be expressed as cost is n into 5. Therefore, the general expression for the cost in terms of the number of pens n equal to, for example, 1 pen, the cost is 1 into 5 equal to 5 rupees. For 2 pens, the cost is 2 into 5 equal to 10 rupees, etc. The same like that, 1 for 5, 2 10 and 3 for 15 and 4 for 20 and 5 for 25, n for 5n. The final answer is cost is n and rupees is 5n. And question number 3, the same way. Here each horse has 4 legs, so that the number of legs is directly proportional to the number of horses. So the 2 horses, the number of legs is 2 into 4 equal to 8. For 3 horses, number of legs is 3 into 4 equal to 12. For n horse, general expression L equal to legs equal to 4n. General expressions. The n represent the number of hearts, then the number of legs L is given. 1 for 4 and 2 for 8 and 3 for 12 and 4 for 16 and 5. 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20 and n equal to 4n. The final answer is n and 4n. And question number 4 the same way. Here each duck has 2 legs. The total number of legs increased by 2 for each additional duck. Here also the same, the total number of legs 2 into number of ducks. The general rule for the number of legs in terms of number of ducks. The total number of legs n into 2 number of legs. The final answer n and 2n. Question number 5. Observe the following pattern. Write the general expressions using variable m. 1, 4 and 6, 16 and 25. Here the sequence you provided is here sequence. Here is the sequence order. Sequence is 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. This pattern represents the square of consequent positive integer 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square and 5 square. The general expression for m, the term in sequence is m square. Question number 6. Use the general term the following pattern and complete the table indicated here. The general term, number term and value of the term. Here the general term n, fifth, 2 into n, 21. Here n is equal to 50. 2 into 50 are 100. The same like that we have to fill up this. And 3n minus 1, n value is 21. So 21 into 3 minus 1. We are getting final answer 62. And the same way question number 7. There are 5 students in a group. Write the total number of students in terms of number of groups. The total number of students in number of the terms of number of groups. There are 5 students in each group. If the number of groups is n, the total number of students is the general expression 5 into n. The number of students is 5 into n. And finally question number 8. At a fruit shop, bananas are sold in dozens. Find out the number of bananas sold in terms of number of dozen. The number of bananas sold in terms of dozens. A dozen consists of 12 bananas. If the number of dozens is n, the total number of banana is the general expressions 12 into n. The total number is banana. 12 into n, 12n. That is the final answer. And thanking you. So we have completed chapter number 11.1 exercise, and if you any doubt means put the comments box and kindly subscribe the channels. Thank you.